Good evening, everyone. Who is saying good evening? Lakshmi is saying good evening. KP Kumar Mathur. Who is KP Kumar Mathur? KP Kumar Mathur. Can I know your name? What is your name? KP Kumar Mathur. Madhav Sharma. Anji Bhai. Lakshmi. Okay, Lakshmi, you are Mathur. That's good. I'm also Kuldeep Mathur. We have the similar surnames. That is very good. Attracted. Okay, please share this link of my live class on your status if you can, and let me start my class. Am I completely audible to you? Am I completely audible? I think yes, I'm audible. Okay, so let me start the class. Yesterday, because of the disconnection of Wi-Fi, unfortunately, I had to leave the class. Unfortunately, I had to leave the class, and that was not my perception to leave the class, but it happened suddenly. Mm. And today we will continue the same part as yesterday we were doing. We were on the present continuous and on interrogative things. Okay. So let's see what are we going to do and what are we going to learn. We are going to do a lot of things, and today we are going to finish this particular series of tenses, important tenses to speak English. Okay. I think my screen is visible to you. So again, I welcome you all on the platform of English Discovery 2.0. And it is not the day one, but yes, it is the milestone course, spoken English course, where you are learning the English language from basic to advanced level. Day 1 to day 60, we will teach you a lot of things. And which day is this? Actually, yesterday it was day 3. And today also it is going to be the day 3, because the content which I took yesterday, I was not able to finish that. And the reason was Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi was not helping me. Okay. I hope you are doing good. Saloni ma'am is also here. Good evening, Saloni ma'am. And everyone, you can also say good evening to ma'am. Saloni ma'am is here in the chat box. It is not day one. Again, I did some mistake here. Okay, I added something else. Wait, it is not the slide. Yes. Let me go ahead. Day one, I taught you something about important tenses. On day two, also I taught you a lot of things. And it is the day three. It is day 3. As yesterday also I was telling you, and here I did one mistake, that online training with Sanskriti Sharma. It is not the online training with Sanskriti Sharma right now. It is the online training with Kuldeep. Hmm. I hope you can understand this. So I did some mistake here, but sorry for that. And let me move further. Yesterday I told you about this. I told this also. I told present, past, future, and in indefinite you just have to remember we use first form of the verb. In continuous, we use ing form in the action verb. And in perfect tense, we use third form of the verb. So this is like the overview for you all. Okay, yesterday we did this. Please like the video, everyone, if you really want to learn from here. That's perfect. Okay, follow the instructions of Saloni ma'am. And let me move further. I told you these examples of present indefinite, future indefinite, and today we are going to start from here. We are going to commence from here. You know what is the meaning of commence? COMMENCE. Commence means to start something. So apart from saying that I am starting this, you can say I am commencing this. Okay. So present continuous tense, and it is the interrogative sentence of present indefinite. Sorry, present continuous. Is he eating the food? See, yesterday I told you that whenever you are creating any kind of interrogative sentence, and you are putting question mark in the end, at that time you have to just add the uh, helping verb in the starting of the sentence. In the starting of the sentence, if you are watching or you are putting is, am, are, was, were, do, does, is, am, are, has, have, something like this. Helping verb. Hmm. At that time, you just understand that this is interrogative. In the last, there are total two signs. You can see there are total two signs. First is this question mark. The second is this. Sorry, first is this the helping verb. Second is the question mark. Okay. So with the helping verb, if it is in the starting, and the question mark if it is in the ending, then you can say this is interrogative. The next thing is, we have a lot of examples. I have added all the subjects also. What are the subjects? What are the subjects? The person who is doing the work. The person who is doing the work, that is known as subject. Okay, I'm not talking about the subjects of your school, of your class, physics, mathematics, chemistry, are not that. Subjects mean the person who is doing work, and there are total 8 subjects we are learning about. He, she, it names singular subject. I, we, you, they plural subject. Okay, plural. That is not plural. That is plural subject. So, is he eating the food? Is she drinking the water? Is it raining regularly? Is Radha taking the responsibility? Am I cooking the food? Are we writing a story? Are you speaking English? Are they brushing the teeth? So these are the sentences. These are the examples which you need to understand. Why are they present continuous? Because you can see is, am, are. These are the helping verbs of present continuous. Okay, and it is continuous, so we need to add ing in the verb, and we added also eating, drinking, raining, and taking, cooking. Ing you are watching now. You are looking ing. So that's how you can understand. This is called present continuous. Continuous you can recognize by ing, and present means is, am, are. Simple. Okay. I hope you understood it. Do I need to move on the next slide? Can I move? If it is clear. If it is clear, please let me know. And I'm giving you one poll also, everyone. Do not be worried about it. I'm giving you poll. And in this poll, I'm writing 2 sentences. The first one is going to be incorrect, and the second one is going to be correct. So my first sentence is, no, 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 no. Wait, you will get one poll. I'm writing second sentence, and you will get the option of first or second. Which one is correct? Okay. Second is, it is taking a little bit time. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, tell me which sentence is correct. Which sentence is correct? First one or the second one? Started the poll. I have started a poll for you all. Please answer in the poll. Okay, and I'm moving for the next slide. Please do answer. You can see the poll in your comment box, I think. There are 2 sentences written. Is they working? Is he eating the food? Please click on the right answer. First one is correct or the second one is correct. Okay, I got 3 votes total, and 5 people are watching right now. That's perfect. Okay, I'm moving for the next slide till the time the poll is open to answer. See, again, yesterday I told you, you need to understand the format only. You just understand the format and you are going to rock everywhere. You are going to do everything. You are going to learn everything. You are going to understand everything. And you can translate any kind of sentence. Past continuous. In present continuous, what was there? Is MR. In past continuous, nothing is going to change apart from the helping verb. Was were. Was were is the helping verb here. Was we use with singular, and were we use with plural. So he, she, it, name, these are the singular. And one more thing, there is one more thing. With I, we use was, because in past we use I as a singular subject, but in present we use it as a plural. Okay. So you will know about it more in the upcoming slides. So these are the things. Was he eating? Sorry, I did something wrong here. Was he eating the food? Let me correct it. Okay, there is one mistake. Was he eating the food? Eating. Was he eating the food? Was she drinking the water? Drinking. 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 Drinking the water. Okay, I think it's clear now. Okay, perfect. So you can see the sentences, you can see the examples. Was he eating the food? Was she drinking the water? Was it raining regularly? Was Radha taking the responsibility? Was I cooking the food? Were we writing a story? Were you speaking English? Were they brushing the teeth? Simple, as simple as that. Was were, yes, was were. Huh. So what are you understanding from here? Just we are changing the helping verb. Apart from the SMR, we are using was verb here. And that is what? That is past continuous tense in interrogative. In interrogative, where we are asking the questions. Go ahead, Mere Bhai. God bless you. Thank you so much. Hmm. So I think it's clear to you. Hmm. Is it clear? This slide was verb. Okay, I'm giving you one question in the chat box. One poll. Okay. What is this poll? You will get one poll again. The first question I have already written, and the second one I'm writing right now. Uh, okay, now you will get the question. I'm starting the poll. Okay, be ready. Be ready. 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 Poll has started. Please do answer. Yes, it is clear. Thank you so much. I'm moving. Aradhya is saying. Aradhya, or who is she? She's Archana, I think. Okay, I don't know. Aradhana Rajput is written. Please answer in the poll. What is the right answer? 4 votes. Okay, I'm moving for the next slide till the time you give the answer. Future continuous. Again, see, we are learning interrogative, but we are learning the format first. From the starting of the session, from the starting of this milestone course, I'm just telling you the format. So you could understand the format and you could give the answer of everything. Here, in present continuous, we saw is MR we are using, ing we are using. Ing is permanent. Ing is permanent in continuous tense. But one thing is not permanent. That is helping verb. In present, we were using is MR. In past, we were using was were. In future, there is nothing, but we are using will. Will be. Okay, now understand one format here. Will he be eating the food? Will she be drinking the water? Will it be raining regularly? Will Radha be taking the responsibility? Will I be cooking the food? Will you be writing a story? Will you be speaking English? Will they be brushing the teeth? As simple as that. Hmm. Now, you would be thinking in the starting of the past continuous, we were using was only. But why here be? You know, be is the short form or the contraction of his MR, because present and future is correlated. I can only tell you this much only. I can tell I can tell only this much in this live session, that they are related to each other, present and future. Because whatever you are thinking of future and you are thinking in present. Let me try to explain. Right now I'm thinking I will go to market. So in present I'm thinking now. That is why present and future are related. So will be is the helping verb here. Will be. But what do? We use will first, then we use subject, and after the subject we use be. That is why, will he be eating the food? Will she be drinking the water? That is why I have written this format. I hope you all can understand this format. There is not the rocket science. Rocket science. Eating. Okay. Now let me tell you one bonus thing here. Bonus learning of the class. Yesterday there was one problem of the network, and I thought I should tell you something different in the class in the next time. So today I'm going to tell you. Now, if I say that start reading these sentences, then you all will read. Definitely, you all will read, na? Will he be eating the food? Will she be drinking the water? Will it be raining regularly? But if I say to you that read only the part where ing part is added, where the ing form is added, only read that word. So you will say eating, drinking, raining, taking, cooking, writing, speaking, brushing. And your pronunciation is incorrect here. Your pronunciation is incorrect here. Why? Now you all would be thinking that Kuldeep is speaking anything. He's speaking anything. These are not my words. These are the words of one professor from America, I think, or United Kingdom, somewhere, and he teaches in one university. Hmm. So I was completing one course there. He told me that it is not eating; it is eating. Second is drinking, raining, taking, cooking, writing, speaking, brushing. Now see the difference. First, I'll read in my Indian accent, then in another one. Will he be eating the food? Will he be eating the food? Will she be drinking the water? Will she be drinking the water? Will it be raining regularly? Will it will it be raining will it be raining regularly? Will Radha be taking the responsibility? Will Radha be taking the responsibility? Will I cooking the food? Will I cook in the food? G is always silent. Do not pronounce G in your sentences whenever you are pronouncing. Pronouncing. Okay. I also do mistakes, but not so many times. I remind to my mind that okay, this is not the correct format. This is not the correct pronunciation. G is completely silent. If I hide the G part here, if I hide the G, then you will say eaten. It is eaten. Okay. Are you eating something? What are you eating? Something like this. Okay. I'm ending the poll. 7 votes I got. First is the right answer. Okay, fine. I think this is also clear. I'm giving you one more poll on this. Hmm? I'm giving you one more poll. The first sentence I'm writing, this is okay. And start listening the songs in English like Happy Nation, living in a happy nation where the people understand and dream of perfect and situation leading to the sweet celebration. Second one. These English songs are going to help you a lot in your speaking because you'll get the right pronunciation of the words. Okay, Learning. Ning. Okay, I'm writing. I'm giving you the poll. Just to be okay. Give me 1 minute. I have started the question. Cut. Let me cut it from here and let me give you the poll again. Start a poll, and here I need to go paste, paste. Where is the option of paste? One or two. Okay, you have the poll now. Please do the answer. Mean it selected ing words just like eating, cooking, drinking, riding, and speaking, etc. ing is selected, yes, but G you don't need to pronounce. Okay, if you don't pronounce the G word in the last, then it will look so beautiful. It will be amazing. And let me move further now. If you can, if you can, then please write the sentences of future continuous tense in comment box if you can, please, and do a like if you can. Okay, I'm just helping. I'm just trying that I could provide whatever I have to you all. Maybe someone who is sitting anywhere, in the any corner of the world and watching my live and learning something, I'll feel so amazing. I'll feel like I'm helping someone. Okay. So share this live a lot if you can. If you will not, who will? Okay. Let me share now. Present perfect tense. What is present perfect? Present perfect is I told you everything in the last slide. Why will I tell you right now? We are going to just look for the examples, and we are going to learn about interrogatives. Okay, if you want to know about present perfect, then I told you in the last session. Please watch my live session, and continue from there. Has he? Okay, I did one mistake here. See, has he eating the food? And third form is eaten. 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 And here we will use drunk. Drunk. Okay. See, has and have, these are the two helping verbs of present perfect. And in present perfect, we use has and have in the starting of the sentence. In last, we use question mark. That is how we identify that this is present perfect and this is interrogative. Okay, I'll try sing a song. Brother, maybe softly we use I wish with shall. Is it? Mostly we use. See, I'm just teaching as per the speaking level. So in speaking level, we use mostly will. Okay. If you want to use shall, then you can use. There is no problem. For your exams, shall is very much important. If you are giving any kind of exam and there it is coming option will or shall with I or we, then you need to put there shall. Okay, you will have to be. Otherwise, you will lose your marks. You lose your marks if you are not doing this. So shall is important for your exams, for your marks. Yes, let's read out some examples here. Has he eaten the food? Has she drank the water? Has it rained regularly? Has Radha taken the responsibility? Have I cooked the food? Have we written a story? Have you spoken English? Have they brushed the teeth? Blah blah blah. What is this? Sir, what are you saying this? Huh? What are you saying this? Hmm. I'm not saying anything, but yes, I'm trying to explain you that these are the examples of present perfect. And in present perfect, we use third form of the verb, and that is what you can see on your screen. Eaten, drunk, rained, taken, cooked, written, spoken, brushed. I from the starting of the session, from the starting of this milestone course, I'm using these words, these action verbs. Hmm. I'm using the subjects, the 8 subjects. I'm using the same helping verbs. You should remember everything in your mind. If I say to you in your dream that what are the helping verbs of present, then you say do does is am has a. If I say that what are the helping verbs of past, then you reply in your dream that did was were had. In future, will be, will have. Again, if I say in indefinite, do does in present, did in past indefinite, will in future indefinite, is mr in present continuous, was were in past continuous, will be plus ing in future continuous. And if we talk about perfect, then in present perfect, has have with verb third form. In past perfect, had with third form of the verb. In future perfect, we use will have with future perfect. You should remember everything as I. Okay. Okay, brother, maybe must use again the same. Good evening, sir. You are late. Why are you late? Sapna. Okay, that's perfect. I think there is nothing to explain in this. Hmm? 82% people said this. I'm giving you one more poll here, and this time the poll is for present perfect. So I'm writing my first sentence. Again, I'm writing Q&A. If you have any kind of question, you can ask to me. Okay, you can write in the comment box, please. Happy nation, living in a happy nation. And the second example which I want to give you is please give the answer in the poll. What is the right answer? And in the next live, Sanskriti Sharma, the Sanskriti ma'am, is going to teach you about the self introduction, and that's what we are going to cover in the next slide. Too late reason, family issue. Okay, I cannot say anything in this, but yes, present perfect is much clear to you, I think. Hmm? It should be crystal clear. Okay, people are giving the answer 100% one. Okay, others who are trying to give the answer, please click on the poll. Hmm? And let me move further. This is past perfect. Why is this past perfect, sir? We are learning from the starting past perfect, present perfect, future perfect. Why are we learning? We're learning to clear our basics. If we don't know how to clear our basics, if we don't know about our basics, then we cannot speak English. There's not a single way you may follow to speak English. Hmm? Your surrounding is very much important to speak English, and your basics, a lot of important things to speak English. Yeah. Past perfect, nothing is changing, only the helping verb is changing. Had. With every subject. He, she, it, name, I, we, you, they. Had is the helping verb. Third form we will use. And the examples you may look at. Had he eaten the food? Had she drunk the water? Had it rained regularly? Had Radha taken the responsibility? Had I cooked the food? Had we written a story? Had you spoken English? Had they brushed the teeth? Oh my god, what is this? This is nothing. If you know present perfect, then you are aware about past perfect. Okay, had is the helping verb in the past perfect. Okay, people have given the answer. 6 votes. A is the right answer. A is the right answer. Has he cut jungle? You know, cut is the third form also. First, second, and third form is cut. And second sentence is not correct. I have written there, has they gone. So they is a plural subject. Hmm. They is a plural subject. We cannot use has there. We have to use have there. Okay. I'm ending this poll now, and just wait a minute, and we are going to move first. Whether in first one there is no third form, in second one there is no have. In first, cut is the third form. CUT. It is the first form, second form, third form. Okay. So first one is correct, and in second that is incorrect. There is no have. Okay. I'm moving further. I think it should also be clear to you. I don't need to give any kind of example here now, and I don't need to. I think I should not tell more about past perfect. Just read out the examples, you will understand everything. I've created the best content for you. I've created. Okay. So just listen my words, mark my words, follow my words, and Follow my examples. You will speak English. You will not get this type of content and teaching level anywhere. The teaching level you can get, yes. There are a lot of best teachers in the India, in the world, who can teach you English. But I believe on myself. If you are following my content, then definitely you will speak English. Hmm. And that is why I'm running a lot of live classes also. We are running one platform, English Discovery 2.0, where a lot of online classes are running on the timing 3 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m. A lot of batches we have. If we get new people, we are going to help them, and we are not taking the fee from them. We are just giving the free classes. Like, we are taking the registration fees, 500 rupees, but there is one thing. We are returning those 500 rupees also. But when the person is speaking English, okay, after 1 year, if he completes the course, definitely congratulations, you are going to get your money back. And we have a lot of games, activities, contests from where you can win the prizes. Hmm. This is future perfect. In future perfect, we use will have. It is the same format like future continuous, because in future continuous we were using first will, and after the subject we were using be. And here what are we doing? Will he have eaten the food? Okay, will in the starting, then in between subject, after that have. Then we have third form of the class. Sorry, third form of the verb, not of the class. What am I speaking? Will he have eaten the food? Will she have drunk the water? Will it have rained regularly? Will Radha have taken the responsibility? Will I have cooked the food? Will we have written a story? Will you have spoken English? Will they have brushed the teeth? Simple as that. Past perfect. In present perfect, we were using has have. In past perfect, we were using had plus verb third form. And in future perfect, we are using will have. Will plus subject plus have. And verb third form. Again, there should not be any kind of doubt in your mind. Okay, just read out the examples. You are going to understand each and everything. Hmm. Will you bath? Will you have bathed? The right example could be, will you have showered? Showered. Is it the right sentence? Showered. Showered. Hmm. You can say like this, or you can say, will I have eaten? Will I have? Will I have walked in the park? This is also a good example. Ah. Okay. And yes, everyone, one more thing. We are uploading the daily videos about terror attack in Pahalgam. So we are uploading the videos, we are finding the things which is happening on that terror attack, the actions which government is taking. So do watch the video, you will get the information, you will get the news. Okay, that was not a good news, but whatever happened, we cannot do anything in that. The things, the actions which will be taken by our government, our Indian army, those are going to just help us and help our mind to go out from this particular incident. So please, I can say, I can request you watch the videos which we are uploading to get the news, right news. Otherwise, a lot of fake news are going on. We are checking the news first. We are going with the fact, and then we are telling to you. Yes, and I think this is also clear to you. Future perfect, will plus subject plus has a, sorry, have. Next we have what? We have WH word. Okay, This is the particular thing which I'm going to tell you in upcoming classes, and here I'll tell you some of the examples. WH word. What are WH words? Actually, there is a family in our grammar, that is WH family. And sometimes people think, how do I use this particular thing? How will I use it? Then I say to them, why do you think so much? Just remember something. Just remember and just learn one type of song. क्या क्यों कैसे कहाँ कब. A sentence. क्या क्यों कैसे कहाँ कब. What, why, how, where, when. What, why, how, where, when. क्या क्यों कैसे कहाँ कब. Okay. What is this? What are you saying? Whenever you are asking the questions and you are asking in the WH family, then you should ask to them, क्या, what were you doing? Like, what are you doing? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? Why are you doing? तुम क्यों कर रहे हो? How are you doing? Doing. तुम कैसे कर रहे हो? Where are you doing? तुम कहाँ कर रहे हो? When are you doing? तुम कब कर रहे हो? Always ask them, क्या कर रहे हो? क्यों कर रहे हो? कैसे कर रहे हो? कहाँ कर रहे हो? कब कर रहे हो? If you can ask these 5 questions to anyone, you are pro in asking questions. We have one particular PPT for you all on this WH word, on asking question. We have the chapter for you, and we will teach you in the upcoming classes, upcoming live. We are going to tell you everything. But today we are going to have just a short overview. Hmm? Okay. How can we use it in our sentences? How can we? Let me tell you in the next slide. New slide, let me add, and let me write something for you. Let me write here. Okay. I will write only some of the examples. Okay. In present perfect. Sorry, in past perfect I'll write. In past perfect or in present perfect. The first example. What have you what have you drunk? What have you drunk? Okay, it is past perfect. What have you drunk? It's mean तुमने क्या पिया है. Second example. क्या, क्यों, why have you. Okay, I can also write here, why had you given homework to me? Why had you given homework to me? Hmm. Next sentence, third one. And in third sentence, क्या, क्यों, कैसे, how have, how has, okay, how has he, okay, how has he, how has he purchased the fruits? How has he purchased the fruits? The next sentence. क्या, क्यों, कैसे, कहाँ? Where are you learning English? Where are you learning English? The fifth sentence. Okay, let me take it down. Come here. Where are you going? Fifth sentence. क्या, क्यों, कैसे, कहाँ, कब? When? Okay, fifth sentence. Fifth. When do when no do when will they when will they tell the truth? When will they tell the truth? These are the examples of the which word. And now may you may think one thing. just in your mind, think one thing. What is this? Why is this? What have you drunk? Why had you given homework to me? How had you given homework to me? How was he purchased? How has he purchased the fruits? Where are you learning English? When will they tell the truth? Just understand these examples. I just added the WH words, and the next formation of the sentence is same as I told you. Same, completely same. Hmm. We are just adding the WH words in the starting of the sentence. And after that, that same format. Have you drunk? Had you given the homework to me? Had he purchased the fruits? Are you learning English? But where? Where are you learning English? Will they tell the truth? When will they tell the truth? I'm asking the time here. So there something is written, I think. Whenever we are asking the question, okay, with WH word, and we are asking with what, then you have to tell the action. Whenever you are asked the question with the why, then you have to give the reason. With how, you need to tell the manner. Where, it means they are asking about one place. And if they are asking the question with when, then they are asking about time. So that's all about important tenses to learn English. If you were here from the starting, from the day 1 to day 3, then I'm damn sure you have cleared your basics, and now you have cleared your first step in spoken English. In the next live, Sanskriti ma'am is going to teach you a lot of new things, where you will also be thinking, oh my god, this thing I was speaking wrong, and we have to speak like this. That is what we are going to tell you in the next slide. Not next slide, in the next slide. And I think everything is clear to you. Everything is clear to you. Hmm? And I say a big thanks to you all. A big thank you, everyone, to continue this live. Okay? Please, those who jumped in between, please watch the live from the starting. You will feel amazing. Hmm. Be ready for the practice now. In the community section, now I'm going to share mixture of the sentences, like negative, interrogative, affirmative. I'm going to tell you everything. I'm not going to tell you, I'm going to give one practice sheet there in 24 hours, and you have to do the practice. You can write in the comment box, you will get the right answer also. And that's all from this class. If you have any kind of question, query, please do write in the comment box. I'll reply to you personally. Okay, I'll reply to you personally. So thank you so much, everyone. Tada, bye bye. Take care and have a good night. Bye, everyone. Let's meet in the next session with Sanskriti ma'am.